Welcome to the Mueller Electric close-up clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our M12 L-coded cable assemblies, the solution for connecting your machines and improving productivity. The M12 L-coded cord sets are the new standard in the 24-volt power supply systems and used in Profinet devices. As the manufacturing floor requires more power and the floor space is the same, the M12 L-coded cables are smaller than the 7/8 standard, plus deliver more power. M12 L-coded cables and receptacles are used in industrial communications, industrial machinery, robotics, conveyors and other material handling, industrial control and factory automation, test equipment, input-output connectivity, sensors, and actuators. Why the new M12 L-code versus the standard M12A code? M12 L-coded cables require 40% less space. M12 L-coded cables have up to 80% more power than the 7/8" 16 UN connectors. M12 L-coded cables prevent mismatching connectors with different voltages. M12 L-coded cables provide a secure connection for increasing power applications with Industry 4.0. The M12 L-coded connector configuration is male or female, with various orientations available in straight, right angle, and open end. Unshielded. Various lengths, 16 AEWG, and 4 and 5 pin positions. The M12 L-coded cable is offered in HDPE high-density polyethylene cable material. HDPE is known for large strength to density ratio. It is a great electrical or wire insulator with high temperature and water resistance. HDPE is the toughest, most rugged form, providing excellent protection for the cables, ensuring durability and longevity. HDPE does not contain BPA, phthalates, heavy metals, allergens, or harmful fumes. Mueller Electric's M12 L-coded instrumentation cable complies with IEC 61076-2-101 Industry 4.0. Our cables are RoHS 3 and REACH compliant, CE certified, and IP68 safety rated. Improve your productivity, increase power for your applications today and tomorrow. Mueller Electric's M12 L-coded connectors increase durability and reliability, keeping downtime and maintenance costs low. Our M12 L-coded instrumentation cables are made at our headquarters in Akron, Ohio, USA. In choosing Mueller Electric's M12 L-coded cables, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. This makes them a great option for original equipment manufacturers and our electronic distribution partners. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.